Alright, this video is in regards to how to build your website and how to edit, make changes to your DIY website. First, when you get the account, depending on your plan on what was spoken with your sales representative, you're going to be taken to a website that's called templates.lendingwise.com, where we have 4 templates that you can choose from. So all you really would have to do is, maybe you want to preview the websites before you acknowledge that you like this one. You can take a look at what that is. You can go back into another one, you can preview it so you can see what that looks like. There's 2 ways. One of them is you can start right away and you put your email, your name, your phone number, and what we have to do in our end, we would have to enable that template on your account to make it live for you. Now, after you have chosen one of our team members is going to reach out to you to go ahead and log in into the site so you can make your changes. Now, it's going to look something like this. I'm going to go ahead and go to this browser and you're going to say, congratulations, your site is ready. And it's going to say, there we go, congratulations, right, in the whole text. And you can go ahead and log in. Now it's going to ask you to, log in, have a password, and create one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and input mine. And I click login. It takes you to a dashboard. Right, this is my domain name that I have chosen, and I do have a video for that on how to connect it to your DNS. Now I can go ahead and click on edit, and it takes me to the editor. Now again, this is my demo testing account, so I can go ahead and start editing my website. So I can put here, Coral Gables LLC capital, and I can make that change. Right, I can make all type of changes. I can go to different pages. I can add multiple pages in here. I can edit my text however I like. After you've done your changes, the only thing that you have to do on your site is just click on republish. So just an example to show you, this is currently the website that I have, but if you remember, I did change this. It hasn't taken effect yet because I have not published the site, like the changes that I made. So all I would have to do is click on republish. Congratulations, your site is published. Now, when I go back to that tab and I hit refresh, there it is. Now it's live, and there I can go ahead and continue maybe editing back and forth into the site. Now, we do some light customization, if we can, to help you get set up. Maybe have your iframes in your website, or maybe add a page, the broker registration. But if you're looking for more in-depth into your website designing, we usually refer it out to clients to use Fiverr, right? It's kind of like third-party company. There's many other ones in there, but this is just one of them. So you can go ahead and type in, to the website builder, right, or developer, and you have around 340 services providers that can help you, and that's usually what we refer clients out to. If you have any questions, as always, just go ahead and reach out to support@lendingwise.com. Thank you.